After years at sea, millions of salmon gather, driven by the instinct to swim upriver and breed. Predators swim in from hundreds of miles away, timing their arrival for this event. Sea lions, they're just waiting for the fish to make the first move. As the tide rises, the salmon surge towards the river's mouth. Squeezed together, they have no room to maneuver. The sea lions use the waves to turbo boost their chase. They single out individual salmon and drive them onto the beach. Around here, you gotta eat fast. There could be a larger sea lion on the next wave. A 1,000-pound thief looking to muscle in and steal your hard-earned lunch. For a month, every high tide is a feeding frenzy as sea lions and seabirds gorge themselves. Every sea lion eats up to 35 pounds of fish a day, but there are so many salmon that 98% make it through. Up to 65 million sockeye salmon are swimming upstream. Their journey might be several hundred miles.